What personal assets are protected in a personal bankruptcy? Individuals who are evaluating whether filing a Chapter 7 bankruptcy would be appropriate have a lot to consider. The type of debt they have and the impact of a bankruptcy filing on their personal and business lives are important issues to be assessed. But there is another part of the bankruptcy puzzle that deserves careful analysis, and that is which of the debtor's assets will be protected and what personal property will become part of the bankruptcy estate. The rules that govern what property a debtor may retain and what must be turned over to the bankruptcy trustee are referred to as exemptions. If you file a Chapter 7 or liquidating bankruptcy, the court-appointed trustee will take legal possession of your non-exempt assets and administer them for the benefit of your creditors. If you file a Chapter 13 or wage earner bankruptcy, exemptions will determine what amount you are required to pay to your creditors as a part of the Chapter 13 plan. California has opted out of the federal exemptions found in the Bankruptcy Code. As such, a debtor can choose from two different state law exemption schemes referred to as System 1 and System 2. Some commenters say that System 1 is the better choice when a debtor has substantial home equity, and that System 2 offers more protection for debtors who have substantial liquid assets, such as investments and savings. But only a lawyer who is experienced in such matters can analyze the facts of your particular case to determine which set of exemptions is more likely to protect property that you really want to keep. Here is a brief look at some of the exemptions found in System 1. System 1 exemptions can protect up to $175,000 of equity in your principal residence, but is subject to various qualifiers, including your age and income. It will also preserve your equity interest in your auto to the extent of $2,900, jewelry, heirlooms, and artwork to the extent of $7,625, and bank deposits that arose from payments of Social Security up to $4,575 for married debtors. Also exempt is the amount of 75% of wages paid within 30 days of filing the bankruptcy case. Depending on the occupation of the debtor or debtors, between $7,625 and $15,250 of related implements, tools, uniforms, books, equipment, instruments, and furnishings, as well as a commercial vehicle, may be exempt. Generally, the value of tax-exempt retirement accounts like Section 401k accounts, SEPs, IRAs, and Roth IRAs are exempt under California state law pertaining to exemptions. Since the filing of a bankruptcy case has a significant long-term effect on your financial life and may result in the debtor losing some of his physical assets, anyone considering such a filing ought to meet with experienced bankruptcy practitioners. Contact the law offices of James C. Shields at 310-540-6792 or visit our website at shieldslaw.net.